This is Eric from Creatables, and I'm going to show you how to reverse engineer and build an umbrella with Strawbees. Okay, you need a long straw. You can make that with 2 regular straws at home or something like that. There's tons of ways of achieving this. We have these long straws here because we found a store that has them. You need 5 medium long straws, and then you need 10 of the shorter straws. And the exact proportions aren't really important. You can just find out your own versions of this. You'll see why later. But basically 1 long straw, 5 medium, and 10 short. The next thing you need is 12 regular Strawbees and 5 double Strawbees and 2 5-legged Strawbees. So we start building with the long straw and a single Strawbee. Take the single Strawbee, put it in there, like that. Next step is taking the 5-legged one and putting it on the straw, like this. And here comes the trick with the Strawbees and how you use them in general. You press it on, hold pretty close to the notch of the Strawbee, and press it in. And then it clicks into that groove. Then I usually do something like this, spin it a little bit to make it attach to the groove. And now we can be a little bit preparing for the next step, so we can actually bend these straws a little, bend these legs of the 5-legged piece. We could almost have done that before. You see, sometimes you come up with ideas when you start describing how you do things. And I don't really remember how I do it, but so this is the basic thing. You get this, the starting point, just so we know where we're heading. The next step is to take the single Strawbees, 2 single Strawbees and 1 of these, 2 single Strawbees and 1 double, and then you attach them like so. And you, once again, you see the trick. It's like holding on the side of the Strawbee, holding this Strawbee pretty close, clicking it in, whoops, clicking it in, and then attaching it again. What? It's because I'm watching the camera, so I'm losing the... So this is it. Now we're going to build 5 of these. These are the mechanical parts of the umbrella. Last one. Now we have these 5 pieces. We attach the small straws to these 5 pieces, and I'm going to show you how. And as usual with the Strawbees, squeeze them gently. It's much easier to get them on. These straws are pretty small, so they're a bit different. So you squeeze them on like that. And there we're done. The next step is to attach these to this top part here. So I take one of these, and this is a bit tricky. This is something you're going to get used to when you build with Strawbees, is that knowing the difference of when you need them to be perpendicular to each other or when they need to be in the plane or like level with each other. This is level and this is perpendicular. In this particular case we want the mechanics to be here, so we want them to be vertical. So I'll squeeze it on. See if we can get focus here. So I squeeze it on there and make sure it's perpendicular, so you can see it's pretty good. That makes it possible to make this mechanical motion. So then I do this with all the sides. And there we have it. Thingy. It doesn't look like much now. So next step is to add this. And before you add it, make sure you bend these knees so they're much easier to attach as you get the mechanical properties out of them. So next you take the piece you just bent, put it on like that. And in this step, you make sure to add them, just connect them like this. As usual, it's good to squeeze, push it in, push it in. And there we are, the basic core structure of the umbrella. And now you can figure out what to do with the rest, but I'm going to show that anyway. Just attach them. Like this. And there we are, the umbrella. You can see what it looks like. And I usually finish off with just one of these in the bottom. So you can hang it from your roof or something like that. If you have some more pieces, you can add little yellow pieces to the ends. Just to show this. And there we are.